with the Angels. Vanessa here from Angel Rose Designs here on YouTube. And today I'm here with a printable kit from Decorate Your Life here on YouTube, who is Sandy Nagel. And she made this pink vintage boho kit. And I looked through the printable and I like everything. I mean, look at that. She's got every detail in here. So, we have this page. Some you might see doubles because I double printed it. Um, this is one of them. Look at all the nice details she has in here. The swags. These are cards. I can use these as journaling cards. So I might print a couple more pages of this out. And then we have this here. Look at it. She even has music notes in the background, which is pretty neat. There's some writing over here. Ooh, I can't wait to use this kit, I'm telling you. Look at the tiny little swag in the corner. Then we have this one that has the swag with the bells on each end, bells dangling, the lantern here. Oh look, she even has a little fruit here. That is so cute. And look at this. This rings, I'm not going to say, but I have it in my head what it rings for. Okay. And then we have this one, which has the little cotton pieces on it with a ribbon tied to a sprig of flowers with the bells. And check out this beautiful swag here. With the beautiful flowers, the little cotton, some of the cotton blossoms. Then she has them on a white background to where this will be an ink saver for many of us. She has everything here except for the swags that are in the printables here. Okay, so this is, I believe, a 10-page kit that you can purchase from her. I will link it down below in the comment section. And I want to thank you all for watching. If you haven't already, please do so. Hit that big red subscribe button down below and subscribe. And also, please do hit the notification bell to get notified of when I upload new content and when I go live or do a premiere. Thank you all for watching. Thank you all for stopping by. Please be blessed, be kind, be loving, be crafty, be safe. Blessings and love to all, love and light to all, and I will see you all in the next video and on the flip side. Bye bye for now. Happy crafting on a budget. Happy everything on a budget. Bye bye.